get information. Ghana. They chased the spirit of our forefathers to limbo. Our faith was left hanging in between the living and the dead. In Senegal, they controlled our mother tongue in alien darkness and forced assimilation into our brains. In Cameroon, they separated the twin brothers and cast a wishful spell in my homeland. We saw our dreams translated into two frustrating foreign fabled tongues. But the hero never dies in spirit. In Zaire, we saw them cut off hands and legs of robber workers. They took their heads home as trophies and planted a new demon to govern the land of plenty. In Mozambique, they crushed Frelimo's dreams of ancestral freedom. They erected a marble tomb and buried the whole village. In South Africa, they humiliated humanity. Bantu's Biko died, and the land cried. The voices of the people were left to rot in the maximum security prisons. Their new technology has seized the rain. Africa now feeds sweat to her thirst. This is why I cry tears of blood. But in this vision of our stolen tomorrow, this rustic moralist cries for a poetic justice, cries. But to you, my people, when will you refuse this world's pitiful share that quenches no human hunger nor thirst? When will you refuse to swallow the blue or the red pill that spells doom, whichever one you take? When will the children cease to wash with their blood the land of their ancestors and the dreams shall come alive? When will their cries quake the dog-called years from humanity to let peace abide, and my people shall inhale the incense of liberty? For how long will my people die for you to say hold to this terror? Curse shall be unto you, and unto your souls, you that implies terror. You kill women and children, you compound churches, mosques. Curse shall be unto your souls and unto those who by your words abide. Maledette. The tutili assassini everybody. Maledette. Curse shall be unto you, all that implies terror on my people. You burn churches and synagogues in the name of Allah and God. For what? Who are you to do that? Maledette. Maledette. Curse shall be unto you, everybody. Maledette.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the lament of the poet from Jidofo, a play I wrote some time ago. And what we are trying to say in that poem is that our elders, please wake up. We have almost 20 to 25 associations of elders here in Houston. Every month we meet. Oh yes, you're one of us. We talk about this every time we want our children to do something. Oh yes, here are your children. Here are your children. They have answered the call. They are here to prove that those meetings that we will be having were not in vain. But it will be useless if we don't help them. It will make absolutely no sense for us to have any more meetings if we cannot support what they are doing today. That's why I'm here. And that's why Onyeze is here. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I beg you not to stop. There is need for us to march on right now. Some unseen forces are trying to break up our people into pieces. While other countries are trying to unite, we're trying to break up ours. Don't let it happen. You're sitting here now, you're blue, you're black, you're Hispanic, you're Nigerian, you're African. I see some people from Cameroon, from Johannesburg. Everybody's here. Please help each other. And that's all I have to say. Thank you all for doing it. Thank you all for doing it.